Hello students, this is Shobik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will start the chapter getting started with Python. Okay, this is the first chapter about Python that we are going to learn. So let's start then. Okay, uh, there are some basic information about Python in here. Python programming language was developed by Guido van Rossum in February 1991. Python is based on or influenced with two programming language. .abc language, a teaching language created as a replacement of BASIC and Module 3. Python is a very high level programming language, yet as powerful as many other middle level, not so high level languages like C, C++, Java, etc. Okay, so what we learned, Python is a very high level language. Okay, advantages of Python: easy to use. Python is very user friendly programming language where easing your job there are so many tools and functions. Interpreted language: Python is an interpreted language, not a compiled language. So I've talked about interpreter and compiler. Now Python uses interpreter, okay, not compiler. This means that Python installation interprets and executes the code line by line at a time. So interpreter, what it does execute a chunk of code line by line, not a whole like the compiler does. Okay, and it makes Python an easy to debug language and thus suitable for beginners to advanced. Okay, that is why just because it executes one piece of code line by line, it is very easy to debug, because you will get your error from the code that you are writing uh, line wise. Okay, not a list like C or Java does. uh, it gives you a list of errors from the whole code. Okay, it's a completeness and cross-platform language. It's a platform independent language, open source. You can use Python language in various platforms like Windows, Linux, Macintosh, supercomputer, smartphones, etc. Okay, free and open source, as I said. So that is it. Advantages of Python. Let's see disadvantages of Python. Not the fastest language. Obviously Python is not the fastest language that we have. And actually the reason of being not the fastest language is that Python is an interpreted language. It uses interpreter, and interpreter is a bit slower than compiler, so it takes time more time to be interpreted. That is why it is not the fastest language. Okay, lesser library liberties than C, Java, Perl. Okay, now you have some predefined functions that you can use, and there are some rules that you have to maintain in order to code well in Python. That is why you don't have that much liberty to do your own in this particular language, because you have to maintain so many things. You have to use some predefined functions and modules that Python offers. Okay, not strong on type binding. Python interpreter is not very strong on catching type mismatch issues. Okay, suppose you are using the idle shell from the python.org that offers us, where if you mistype something, mm, it will not show the error message. Okay, that is one disadvantage. Not easily convertible because of its lack of syntax. Python is an easy language to programming, but this advantage has a flip side too. It becomes a disadvantage when it comes to translating a programming into another programming language. That is a very hectic job. Okay, it is not easy. Okay, now again there is interpretation and compilation. I should skip this part because I have already told you what is an interpreter and compiler. Okay, next page. Okay, it seems this chapter has only 2 pages. Let me see then the Python fundamentals. Okay, all these operators, tokens, and keywords. I think I would like to take this chapter in my next video. Okay, now that is it for this video, and okay, so take care. Bye bye.